Welcome back to Ray's Arithmetic. Now today we're going to be doing lesson 45, and that's in the multiplication unit of our book. And the multiplication today is going to be with the number 7. And so we'll do some multiplication facts with 7 and some story problems. So if we're ready to get started, let's go ahead and do some multiplication facts with 7. Let's go over those. Now the first one is 7 times 1 are 7. So that's the easiest one of the bunch. 7 times 1 are 7. So easy I can't even write a 7. 2 times 7 are 14. That's the next one. 2 times 7 are 14. 7 times 2 are 14. See how that's the same as 2 times 7? 7 times 2 are 14. 3 times 7 are 21. 3 times 7 are 21. And then 7 times 3 are 21. 7 times 3 are 21. 4 times 7 are 28. 4 times 7 are 28. And 7 times 4, also 28. 5 times 7 are 30. So 5 times 7 are 35, excuse me. And 7 times 5 are also 35. Now 6 times 7 are 42. 7 times 6 are 42. 7 times 7, how many do you think that is? That's 49. 7 times 7 are 49. Now 7 times 8, that is 56. Can you read my 6? 7 times 8 are 56. 8 times 7, lo and behold, are also 56. And then 7 times 9 are 63. And 9 times 7 are 63. 7 times 10 are 70. And 10 times 7 are also 70. Okay, let's do some story problems with multiplying and the number 7. Now, Sarah bought 2 thimbles at 7 cents each. How much did they both cost? So Sarah bought 2 thimbles, and they each cost 7 cents. So how much did both of her thimbles cost? That'd be 2 times 7 cents, right? So 2 times 7 are 14 cents. That's what she paid for her 2 thimbles. So let's see what happens next in the next problem with Edward. He's got 3 pockets with 7 marbles in each pocket. How many marbles does he have? So he's got 3 pockets and 7 marbles in each pocket. So how many marbles does he have altogether? 3 times 7 are 21 marbles. Hope Edward doesn't lose his marbles. Next problem. There are 7 days in a week. How many days are in 4 weeks? Alright, so there are 7 days in a week. How many days are in 4 weeks? 7 times 4 will tell us that. How many days are in 4 weeks if there are 7 days a week? Well, it looks to me like there would be 28. 28 days. That's almost a month, isn't it? Yep. Okay. Next problem is a horse who's traveling 7 miles in 1 hour. How many miles can he travel in 6 hours? So we've got this galloping horse who can travel 7 miles an hour. How far will he go in 6 hours? Well, let's multiply 7 times 6 and find out. 7 times 6 is 42. So 42 miles is how far that horse can travel in 6 hours going 7 miles per hour. Interesting. All right, let's go to our next problem. If each of 7 benches will seat 7 boys, how many boys can be seated on all the benches? Well, let's find out. You got 7 benches with 7 boys sitting on them, and just before they break, you've got 49, right? 49 boys sitting on the benches, because 7 times 7 are 49. All right. And Harry gives 7 marbles for 1 cent. How many must he give for 8 cents? Okay, Harry gives 7 marbles for 1 cent. How many marbles does he have to give for 8 cents? A simple matter of 7 times 8. And what's 7 times 8? 7 times 8 are 56. So that's how much Harry had. That's how many marbles Harry had to give, based on his little exchange there. Okay. If muslin is kind of a fabric that you can use to make things with, and if it costs 7 cents a yard, how many cents does 7 yards cost? So if muslin costs 7 cents a yard, 9 cents a yard, and we want to get 7 yards, how much would that cost altogether? Well, 9 cents a yard, 7 yards. I'd say I'm going to need 63 cents to buy that muslin, wouldn't you? Yeah. Now, last problem is, at 10 cents a yard, how much would 7 yards of ribbon cost? So let's figure that out. So if we want to get 7 yards of ribbon, and it costs 10 cents a yard. So how much would we need to pay for those 7 yards of ribbon? At 10 cents a yard, 7 times 10 would be 70 cents for all the ribbon we need for our little project. Well, that's just a little bit of multiplication practice with the number 7. Next time we get together, we'll do some with the number 8. So meanwhile, you can always visit our website, which you can get to quickly if you just type raysmath.com, and it'll get you straight to the site, and you can look at information on Ray's arithmetic as well as other homeschool ideas. So we'll see you next time we get together. Bye-bye.